Hi guys, this is how you import the home page for your homeroom content. Your content course homepage will already be in your blueprints for your content, so you can just import them from this. But we have to get the homeroom homepage from Canvas Commons. So what you're going to do is I'm going to go down to just one of my sandboxes, which is one I just play around with. And then you will go inside your homeroom course though. So then after that, we're going to go right here to import from Commons. Click on that. It might ask you to authorize. Just click authorize. And then we are going to look for the template that I've done for homeroom. So what you're going to do is go to filter, and with filter you're going to scroll all the way down and go here to Georgia Cyber. So that's going to bring up the ones that have been shared with Georgia Cyber Academy. So right here you'll see that here's the elementary grade band homeroom homepage, and then the primary grade band homeroom homepage. Again, these content course homepages will be inside your blueprint and you'll copy them from there. But for this purpose, we're doing the homeroom. So you will click on that, and right over here at the side, let me move my little area so you can see. Right over here, you're going to go import download. And okay, so this is all the ones I have. You will not have this many. So you're just going to choose your homeroom. I'm going to go down here and choose my sandbox. And then you just import to the course. And that will go straight into your homeroom course if you choose your homeroom. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out anytime.